Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Monday, 16 June, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by MaxLight, energy efficient products for over 30 years. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Pharos Architectural Controls appoints JUN as Regional Sales Manager for the Middle East, strengthening regional engagement and expanding global sales. JUN brings over a decade of industry experience and a strong background in commercial strategy. Read further at designinglighting.com. Interlux announces 2 new representatives, Spectrum Lighting in Austin and Spectrum Lighting San Antonio. Both firms will represent Interlux in their respective Texas regions, strengthening the brand's local presence and partnerships. NYControl introduces Handson, a new interactive lighting controls workshop launching 14 October in New York City. Now this is the day before their show. Limited to 30 participants, the $300 training includes lunch, pre-event webinar, and VIP access to NYControl 2025. More information at edisonreport.com. Join LEDflex for La Noche in Blanco, a summer party celebrating creativity and connection at IALD Enlighten Europe 2025. White attire is encouraged and shuttles provided. More details at designinglighting.com. Speaking of IALD, they invite lighting designers worldwide to submit projects for the 2026 International Lighting Design Awards. Entries are open until 9 September, with winners announced at the March 2026 ceremony at Light and Building in Frankfurt. And on Friday, the Dow was down 770 points. NASDAQ was down 256, and that's because of the Iran-Israel conflict. AMS Osram dropped 4%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.